Hi guys, I'm Maria Brown. Welcome back. Today I've got a delicious chocolate chip banana bread for you. Now, before we go any further, remember to subscribe. Okay, come on, let's go get started. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Either butter or spray your 2 bread pans. This recipe makes 2 loaves of banana bread. If you only want one, go ahead and cut the ingredients in half. So here I've got 4 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 2/3 cup of canola oil, 2 cups of sugar, 4 large eggs. I've got 3/4 of a cup of sour cream, 2 1/3 cup of smashed bananas, and I've also got 1 1/2 cups of chocolate chips. This is Ghirardelli dark chocolate, which is my favorite, but you really could use any chocolate chips. Optionally, you could put in 1/2 to 1 cup of toasted chopped walnuts. Here we're going to whisk together the flour, baking soda, and the salt. We'll just whisk that together. In a large bowl, we're going to whisk together the oil and the sugar. Give that a good whisk. We're going to whisk in the eggs and the sour cream. We have the eggs and the sour cream in here, and now we're just going to whisk this together just until it's combined. Don't overmix it. Now we're going to add in the dry ingredients, put those in there, the bananas and the chocolate chips. This is where you would add in the nuts if you're putting nuts in. And we're just going to fold this together until it's all incorporated. Just use a wooden spoon or a rubber spatula. So you just fold that until it's just incorporated. Don't overmix it. You can still see a little bit of flour in there. That's perfect. Now we're going to pour this into our prepared pans. Then we're going to pop that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 50 minutes. We're going to check it at 50. It might need a little longer. We want to make sure it's not browning too much on the top. But we do want to make sure that it's cooked in the middle. Now for the last 10 minutes, we're just going to tent this with some foil. Because if you look at it, it's getting nice and brown, but we don't want it to get too brown. So just lightly, I'm gonna put a little bit of foil right over it to tent it for the next 10 minutes. And in total, we'll cook this for 1 hour. After the full 60 minutes, just take that foil off and turn the oven off and let the bread sit there for another 2 or 3 minutes with the door ajar. Just let that cool on a rack for a few minutes, and then after maybe 5 minutes, take a knife and go all the way around the edges and take it out of the pan. Let it cool completely outside of the pan. Oh boy, does that smell good. Now you could slice right into it while it's warm, or you could just let it cool completely, and you can even wrap it in plastic and throw it in the freezer if you want to save it for another time. Enjoy. Please give me a thumbs up if you got anything out of that video, and leave your questions and comments below. And lastly, remember to subscribe. Until next time, I'm Maria Brown. Thanks for watching.